Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can turn on backups on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, you can easily backup your photos and videos. For that, you have to install Google Photos application on your Chromebook. To install Google Photos application, click on launcher icon, open Google Play Store, search for Google Photos and install it. Once you have installed the application, open the application and sign in with your Google account. Now to set backup for your photos and videos, click on your profile icon, click on backup option and turn on the backup option. When the backup is enabled, it will automatically backup your photos and videos. However, if you only want to backup certain folders and files, then you can also do so. For that, click on this folder icon. Here you'll find the option to backup all the device folder. There is also an option to turn on backup on an individual folder. Simply select the folder and turn on the backup. And here you can see backup is preparing and it will backup your device. Now to backup an individual file, simply select the file. Here you will find a backup now button. Click on it. This will backup the selected file. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.